Hello and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for today under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं नेशनल न्यूज से और शुरू में let's talk about a very important development which is coming from the state of Punjab. So the state of Punjab has become the very first state in our country to impanel sign language experts, including interpreters, then translators, as also special educators under the Juvenile Justice Act. And this is done to ensure accessible and sensitive justice for all, especially children who have any speech or any hearing impairment. Now please understand, ये जो experts हैं इनकी deployment district wise करी जाएंगी and ये policy initiative जो है this is in alignment with POCSO Act provisions, क्योंकि POCSO में आपको काफ़ी ऐसे provisions मिलेंगे जो इन experts की deployment की बात करता है. जैसे सेक्शन 19 ये कहता है कि जब भी किसी POCSO Act के offense की रिपोर्टिंग एक बच्चे के द्वारा करी गई है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट हैज़ टू बी मेड इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज एंड सेकेंडली अगर उस बच्चे को वो लैंग्वेज समझ नहीं आ रही है या फिर अगर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को जो ये रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हैं उनको ऐसा लगता है कि नेसेसिटी है तो ऐसे एक्सपर्ट्स की डिप्लॉयमेंट ज़रूरी है. Now let's talk about an important sports related development. So the Boxing Federation of India, उन्होंने हाल ही में the 4th edition of the Sub Junior Under 15 Boys and Girls National Boxing Championship की dates announce करी. So the championship started from 7th of August and this is going to continue till 13th of August in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Next, we talk about another important national news. So in order to honor the legacy of Professor M.S. Swaminathan, who is the father of India's Green Revolution, our Prime Minister launched an award in his name. इस award का नाम है M.S. Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace. ये अवार्ड उन प्रोफेशनल्स को दिया जाएगा जिन्होंने फूड सिक्योरिटी एंड सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर के रेल्म में काम किया है. सो जो इस अवार्ड के पहले रेसिपिएंट है ही इज अ नाइजीरियन साइंटिस्ट एंड हिज नेम इज डॉक्टर एरेनारे. He was honored for his transformative work in reducing hunger in Nigeria. And on that note, let's wind up the segment with an important day. So day concerned is the World Biofuel Day. It is observed annually on 10th of August and this is done to mark an important development in 1893 on 10th of August when Sir Rudolf Diesel, he ran his engine using peanut oil, thereby demonstrating for the first time that vegetable oil could power engines. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe until I see you tomorrow.